Tire City Wheels. Mike.
Emergency! Emergency! The world's rarest blue ruby has been stolen.
Patrol guard.
Patrol 007, come in.
Over. Patrol 007 speaking.
Patrol 007, you need to check the city bank. The security system went off there.
Roger. Heading out now. I finally have a ruby. The boss will be pleased. Over. Everything is clear so far. I'll keep looking. Wait, I see him. I'm after him.
10-4, got it, guard. Be careful, over and out.
Brown van, stop immediately. I repeat, Brown van, stop immediately.
Did you decide to chase me? Leave before I crush you.
Give way. I'm in pursuit of a criminal.
Look how stubborn he is. I'm going to intercept, over. I'm on the job.
Start the operation.
Thorns are set. Wow. Oh. Great, tractor moved right on time. What a springboard! Oops. Cool. If only I can stay alive. Almost escaped. Sorry for my shock absorbers. So where is this darling? I'm gonna get you.
Patrol 007. Answer. Report the situation. Did you apprehend the criminal?
Not. He seemed to vanish in midair. Boss, I didn't disturb you. Have you completed the task? Of course, boss. As promised. Here it is, boss. That's a bad joke, Mike. Huh? The ruby was in the trunk, boss. I was driving fast. Maybe on the road somewhere. Maybe the ruby was lost. I knew that I couldn't trust such an important thing to you.
You called for me, boss?
This fool lost the ruby. Get out, both of you. Don't come back without the ruby. I was rushing to get away from the policeman, and that's the road. See for yourself. Yeah, here not only could my trunk fly open, but my wheels could fall off. Wow, wow, wow. Hold your horses. This is an ambush.
The thieves did not calculate that the ruby is insured, and for a large sum of money.
And that means we're always watching it. I didn't even know that a chip was mounted on the ruby.
Thank goodness, or we wouldn't have found this stone so quickly. Now we need only to get it out.
Chip? No way. So it's actually good that I lost the stone. Otherwise...
Quiet. Shut up. Let me listen.
Well, what's going on, Bob? Is everything ready to raise that stone up?
Yes, I'm starting to raise.
Hooray! Stone saved. Everyone did great today.
All we have to do now is deliver the ruby back.
What?
We must run away. Faster. Do you hear? I was spotted by that policeman who was chasing me. Ah? What? What are you yelling about like that? My windows were already fogged up.
Hurry up, give it the gas. Come on.
Yes, I'm trying. Trying. Oops.
are surrounded. I repeat, stay where you are.
I'm stuck. So, a little more. Push, come on. Come on. I can do it.
And I called you a friend. I hope you have a carburetor drip. I hope you get water in your tank instead of gasoline.
Stop being hysterical. Enough. We will talk in the police station. Follow me, and without any tricks. Thanks to the professionalism of the patrol guard, the abduction of the rare blue ruby was prevented. The suspect who attempted to steal the stone has been detained.
Rogues, you've ruined all my plans. And now this loser is in prison.
Come on, he said that.
Yes, he said so. I'm not lying. What's that sound?
Larry. Alex. Nicknamed Go. You're eating dust again, bro. Go, go, go! I'm gonna beat you this time. Don't relax, brother.
Baby, we need to get out of here.
Check out this move, Alex, go! I'm whooping you, Larry! I'm gonna win again! You're dreaming! I'll still come in first place! Who are those girls? Where did they come from?
Are you okay, baby? I'm fine. And someone's in big trouble. Girls.
Whoa! Take my eyes off you. What a beauty. I need that ruby, no matter what it costs. Otherwise, she will never agree to ride around the city with me.
Called me, boss?
I need that ruby. Why do I still not have it? Answer me!
Mike is in prison. I can't get it by myself. Boss, what should I do?
Ruby! I need that ruby. Immediately! This is the prison map. The cross is the camera that watches Mike. Release him and get the ruby. Now do it!
How do I help him escape? There's security everywhere.
You're lazy and a parasite. Don't come back without the ruby. Just idle about and I will not give you a drop of
I
petrol.
understand, boss. I'll take care of everything. I got it. I got it. I need a vacation.
Larry, slow down! I'm stalling out! Slow down, brother! What's going on?
Didn't you refuel before the race? We are stuck out here for a while now, dude.
Stop it, Larry. Man, I had a half tank of gas this morning. Who knew that I would tick off so many miles with you?
Here you are, my dear friends. I'll use them. Can't start your engine?
Aha!
I didn't figure on running out of gasoline.
I'll think of something.
There are no gas stations here, guys. Everything is abandoned.
And there are a lot of vagrants
Who will be very happy to see a helpless racer. But I will help you. You can use this whole extra tank I have in my trunk.
Wow! This is high-octane gasoline. I've never used this before.
Wow!
Awesome!
I will help you, and you help me. I must help my friend escape from prison. He was put there by accident.
In prison? So what can we... and what can we do?
Don't worry, I have a plan. Do you agree? Hey, then all the gas stored in my trunk will be yours.
Alex, what are we gonna do?
So, guys, we have to get moving. Prison isn't close.
Don't be a coward. This is high-octane gasoline. Now swallow a jar to fill up. The rest will sell and get rich. Let's go.
Here's my plan. You distract the guard, and you release my friend.
But how? What about those bars?
For this is high-octane gasoline. 2 cans, and you'll be super-powered. Bars won't matter. That's it. Let's go. Don't forget the map.
Go forward. All right, we can do it. No problem.
Idiots. If they get caught, at least I will have nothing to do with it.
Hello? Hey, who are you? My name is Larry. I stopped by to ask, do you need more guards here? I'm looking for a job.
Who are you? How did you get here?
Hush! I'm a friend. Don't be afraid, and listen carefully now. In one gulp, drink a can of this gasoline, and we'll take the wheels away from here.
Wow, you can only get this gas in one place. Come on, give it to me quick. Let's drive.
Looks like I have to go. Goodbye.
What is that sound? Hey, where are you going?
Let me guess. My friend has left.
Now what?
Let's get out of here, friends. Soon he'll be after us.